guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you some quick, effortless beach waves that you can do. Nobody really likes to spend a lot of time on their hair, so I'm just going to show you something that's very quick. Yeah, I hope this is quick and easy for you, and I hope you enjoy it. So I'm going to use my Hot Tools wand. It's about 1 1/4 inch, I believe. And then we're going to use Fave 4 texture spray, and also use Not Your Mother's Beach Babe texturing sea salt spray. So both of these are going to give you that kind of beachy sea salt texture to your hair, which is really kind of what you want. You want a little bit of that texture. And then we're just going to wrap these curls really quick. We're not going to make them tight. We're going to kind of brush them out a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay. So before we actually do that, we're going to take this texture spray and just kind of spray it all in. And get underneath for some volume. Okay, and then we're going to take the sea salt spray and just kind of spray that in a little bit. It has that coconutty smell. It smells so pretty. Okay. Just kind of fluff it a little bit. You see how I have a little bit more texture now and a little more fluff. Okay. Okay, so let's just take these and take about a 2-inch section. We're just going to wrap it really quick. Scoot down so you can see me. And then let it go. Okay? Alright, let's move on. And remember, I talked about it in my other video. When you grab a piece of hair like this, do not curl this. You see where it kind of naturally like wants to divide? Divide it. Oops, that wasn't the natural part. Okay, divide it. Put this top one forward and just wrap that one real quick. Because if you get them too wide, then they kind of like have that frumpy, sorry my mirror's messed up, that frumpy look to them, and you don't want that. Okay, here we go again. Wrap really quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Okay, now that we have that quick curl in our hair, we're going to go back and actually I'm going to take the Fave 4 texture takeover spray. I'm just going to kind of lift my hair a little bit and just kind of massage it in. Do it to this other side. And then just kind of spray it all over. to take this sea salt spray and we're going to spray it, and then I want you to scrunch. I feel like the point of beach waves are really getting that kind of damp sea salt filling like look and feel, you know? You know how you go to the beach and when you get out of the water it's a little bit crunchy, and I feel like that's really kind of the point of this. So besides the big loose curl, that's just really what I feel beachy waves and curls are. Okay, let's bring it all forward. Scrunch it a little bit more. Okay, here we go. This is my version of a quick beachy look. I hope you enjoyed it. For this look, these products are very important because, like I said, it's going to give you the texture that you need. And this stuff, you see this little baby? Go buy it. It is like, it smells so good. I mean, if you like that coconut smell, if you don't, then you might not like it. But I love the coconut smell. And I think it's perfect to go with the beachy waves. So, alright guys, thank you for being patient with me when it comes to getting up my videos. For those that don't know, I stay home with my son. He'll be 2 in March. And my daughter Bella, she goes to school, so it's a little bit tough sometimes. He's actually napping right now, so I get to get quick videos in when I can, but I'm going to work on getting some up a little bit faster, get a little bit more up. So, but thank you for following me, subscribing, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks guys, bye.